This is Bashkir language for English speakers, lesson 12. So, let's look at the plan for this lesson. New words, the rule, grammar rule, exercise, phrase, and repeat new words. So, let's start with new words. Repeat after me. Akkosh, swan, akkosh. Akwan, meadow, akwan. Olive, mouth, olive. Barmak, finger, barmak. Bilgis, specialist, Bilgis. Burhak, badger, Burhak. Gauher, diamond, Gauher. Dünya, camel, Dünya. Derslik, textbook, Derslik. Defter, exercise book, Defter. Yemiş, fruit, Yemiş. Yomak, puzzle, Yomak. Yıldız, star, Yıldız. Yır, song, Yır. Kölemez, anecdote, kölemez. Körek, shovel, körek. Cooper, bridge, Cooper. Kurşe, neighbor, kurşe. Keleş, fiancé, future wife, Keleş. Kava, town, kava. Kavak, spoon, kavak. Kanat, wing, kanat. Kapka, gate, kapka. Kapkas, cover, kapkas. Kavun, melon, kavun. Kodok, well, namma. Kodok, kuyruk, tail, kuyruk. Kuş, bird, kuş. Kunak, guest, kunak. Kırgı, mirror, kırgı. So, now let's the grammar rule for this lesson. Plural for nouns in English is made by adding two endings, s and es, to singular nouns. For example, box, boxes, table, tables, cat, cats, spoon, spoons. The rule to make plural for Bashkir nouns is very close to English, but number of endings is 8. In English, we have 2 endings, and in Bashkir language, we have 8 endings to make plural of nouns. In order to make plural nouns in Bashkir language, you should add 8 different endings to nouns depending on last letters of nouns and bases of nouns. Are they hard or soft? These endings are lar, ler, dar, der, tar, ter, var, ver. For example, singular noun agas, tree, becomes plural noun agastar, trees. And here you see the table with the rule. You see 8 different endings for plural nouns in Bashkir language. Dar, der, tar, ter, var, ver, var, ler. And you see the rule with 2 conditions. Let's start with the ending dar. So if the basis of noun is hard and the last letter of basis of noun in Bashkir language is le, me, ne, le, the, ze, je, then we have to use the ending dar. For example, urman, urmandar, forest, forests, urman, urmandar, garaj, garajdar, garage, garages, garage, garajdar. So, you see urman, the basis of noun is hard, and the last letter is ne. That's why we have, in order to make plural for this noun, we have to add ending dar. Oh, sorry. Okay. The next ending is der. If the basis of noun is soft and the last letter of basis are le, me, ne, le, ze, je, then we have to use the ending of plural noun der. For example, yel, yelder, wind, winds, yel, yelder, yetim, yetimder, orphan, orphans, yetim, yetimder. Let's look at the next ending, tar. If the basis of noun is hard and the last letter of basis of noun in Bashkir language is b, v, g, d, k, k, p, s, t, t, f, h, h, c, ch, sh, sh, In this very case, we use the ending tar to make plural of Bashkir nouns. For example, ağaç, ağaçlar, tree, trees, ağaç, ağaçlar, yaprak, yapraklar, leaf, leaves, yaprak, yapraklar, akkuş, akkuşlar, swan, swans, akkuş, akkuşlar, balık, balıklar, fish, fish, balık, balıklar. If the last letter of basis of noun is B, V, G, D, K, K, P, S, T, T, F, H, H, C, Ç, Ş, Ş, and the basis of noun is soft, we use the ending ter. For example, yelek, yelekler, berry, berries, yelek, yelekler, kubelek, kubelekler, butterfly, butterflies, kubelek, kubelekler, kengeş, kengeşler, advice, advices, kengeş, kengeşler. If the basis of noun in Bashkir language is hard, and the last letter of basis of noun is V, Y, R, U, Ü, I, U, then we use the ending dar. For example, haray, haraydar, shed, sheds, yer, yerdar, song, songs. If the last letter of basis of Bashkir noun is V, Y, R, U, Ü, I, U, and the basis of noun is soft, in this very case, we use the ending der. For example, youth, youth there, face, faces, fikir, fikir there, thought, thoughts, fikir, fikir there. So let's look at this example one more time. Fikir, you see that the basis of this noun is soft. It is soft. Fikir. And the last letter of this basis, re. That's why, according to our rule, we have to use ending there to make plural of this noun. So, fikir, fikir there, thought, thoughts. And in all other cases, we have to use endings lar, ler. For nouns which have hard basis, we use ending lar, and for nouns which have soft basis, we use ending ler. For all other letters, you know, Bashkir language has 42 letters, and all other letters which are not here must be here, the last letters of the basis of nouns. And for these very letters, which are the last letter of the basis of noun, in singular noun in Bashkir language, we use lar and ler. For example, ukutulsu, ukutulsular, teacher, teachers. The last letter of basis is p, and the basis of singular noun in Bashkir language is hard. That's why we use the ending var. Ukutulsu, ukutulsular, teacher, teachers. Munsa, munsalar, bathhouse, bathhouses. Munsa, munsalar. And the last ending is ler. In this very case, you can see seske, seskeler, flower, flowers. Seske, seskeler, flower, flowers. Kurşe, kurşeler, neighbor, neighborhood. Kurşe, kurşeler, neighbor, neighborhood. Let's look at the word seske. The basis of noun seske is soft, and the last letter of this basis is a, and letter a is absent here. Here, 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 here. In all these cells, letter a is absent. That's why we have to use ending lar or ler. And afterwards we look, is this word is soft or hard? The word seske is soft. It has the soft basis, seske. So that's why we do not say seske var. we say seskeler, seskeler. So the same situation with the word kuşe. We do not say kuşedar, kuşeder, kuşetar, or kuşevar. We say kuşeler because it is correct to say in Bashkir language kuşeler. Okay, I hope you understand the rule, and let's go to the exercise. So, Belgis is translated as specialist. How to say specialists? The answer is, please think. The answer is Belgister. Why? Because basis of noun is soft and the last letter of basis is se. So in this case we add ending ter in order to make plural of noun Belgis. So Belgis, Belgister, specialist, specialists. So please make plural of these nouns. Kala, town, kalak, spoon, akkosh, swan, yemiş, fruit, kush, bird, kunak, guest. You can stop this video here. Please stop this video and think how to make plural for these Bashkir nouns. After you make this exercise, you can continue and you can find the answer for the exercise at the end of this lesson when you will repeat new words. Okay, let's continue. Our lesson has also the phrase. This phrase is her nemenin with vakıtı. Everything has its time. Her nemenin with vakıtı. Everything has its time. Please memorize this phrase. It is very useful phrase, I guess. And in English language, it is also useful. Everything has its time. And in Bashkir language, you can say her nemenin with vakıtı. And let's translate some words from this phrase. Vakit, time, vakit, her, every, her. Her neme, everything, her neme. So, please memorize this phrase. Her nemenin with vakıtı. Everything has its time. Her nemenin with vakıtı. So, and at last, let's repeat our new words, and you can check your exercise at this very moment. Akkuş, akkuşlar, swan, swans. Akkuş, akkuşlar, swan, swans. Akvan, akvandar, meadow, meadows. Akvan, akvandar. Ağıt, ağıtlar. Mouth, mouths. Ağıt, ağıtlar. Mouth, mouths. Barmak, barmaktar. Finger, fingers. Barmak, barmaktar. Finger, fingers. Belgis, belgisler. Specialist, specialists. Belgis, belgisler. Burhak, burhaktar. Badger, badgers. Burhak, burhaktar. Gavher, gavherder. Diamond, diamonds. Gavher, gavherder. Düye, düyeler. Camel, camels. Düye, düyeler. Derslik, derslikler. Textbook, textbooks. Derslik, derslikler. Defter, defterler. Exercise book, exercise books. Defter, defterler. Yemiş, yemişler. Fruit, fruits. Yemiş, yemişler. Yomak, yomaktar. Puzzle, puzzles. Yomak, yomaktar. Yıldız, yıldızlar. Star, stars. Yıldız, yıldızlar. Yır, yırlar. Song, songs. Yır, yırlar. Kölemez, kölemezler. Anekdot, anecdotes. Kölemez, kölemezler. Körek, körekter. Shovel, shovels. Körek, körekter. Cooper, cooperder. Bridge, bridges. Cooper, cooperder. Kurşe, kurşeler. Neighbor, neighbors. Kurşe, kurşeler. Keleş, keleşler. Future wife, future wives. Keleş, keleşler. Kava, kavalar. Town, towns. Kava, kavalar. Kavak, kavaklar. Spoon, spoons. Kavak, kavaklar. Kanat, kanatlar. Wing, wings. Kavak, kavaklar. Sorry. Kavak, kavaklar. Spoon, spoons. And kanat, kanatlar. Wing, wings. Kapka, kapkalar. Gate, gates. Kapka, kapkalar. Kapkas, kapkaslar. Cover, covers. Kapkas, kapkaslar. Kavun, kavundar. Melon, melons. Kavun, kavundar. Koduk, koduktar. Well, wells. Koduk, koduktar. Kuyruk, kuyruktar. Tail, tails. Kuyruk, kuyruktar. Kuş, kuşlar. Bird, birds. Kuş, kuşlar. Kunak, kunaklar. Guest, guests. Kunak, kunaktar. Ködgü, ködgüler. Mirror, mirrors. Ködgü, ködgüler. So, please repeat these new words